Welcome to OnceHub Tutorials. My name is Barun, and in today's video, I will quickly walk you through how to add a user to your OnceHub account using the API. So first, let's grab our API key. To get the API key, head over to the gear icon on the top right, Account Integration, APIs and Webhook, and here you can copy your API key. Once you have the API key, let's go to our API reference page, that is developers.oncehub.com. And here we will need to go to add a new user. On the add a new user page, paste the API key in the header, and we are ready to use our API. So let's say we add an email here for our user, that is daniel.carter@example.com. Next, we will need to add the name, that's Daniel, the last name, Carper, and then we can select whether we want to go ahead and add them as an administrator, their role that is, or a member user or a team member. Let's say for this user, we are adding them as an administrator. Now we do have the option where we can decide if we want to add them to a team. Now that can be done using the team ID. To get the team ID, use the list all team API page. I have already pulled up the information for the demo. So let's head over to the page there. Here, let's say we are adding them to the customer support team. Copy the team ID and head back to the API page for users. Now in the strings, paste the team ID and then confirm the details, like for example, the email, the role, the team that you want to add them to, the first name and the last name, and then click try it. And our invitation has been sent to Daniel to be added as a user. You can check that by going back to the OnceHub account. Let's head back to that. Click on the gear icon, users, and here, Daniel has been sent an invitation and he is an administrator. The team is customer support. And once he accepts the invitation and sets up his account, he will be added as an user. Thank you for watching. See you in the next tutorial.